Hi there, my name's Tahmid. I'm from Hassle Free Education London. In today's video, I'm going to talk about mental health and well-being. So what is mental health and well-being? So if you like to work in hospitals and take care of people that are mentally distressed, like they're not happy or are happy, and you will learn how to find solutions to make people's life better. Yeah. So at the moment, we're offering a mental health and well-being course, which is with foundation year. It's a bachelor's degree, so the duration for this course is 4 years. It will be funded by student finance. So who are eligible for this course? Number 1, British people. Number 2, ILR, which is indefinite leave to remain. Number 3 is EU pre-settled or settled. So from a European country, they are eligible. And number 4, refugee. So all of these people need to be in the UK for at least 3 years. So what are you guys waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity. Book a call now and one of our advisors will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching.